Hello, grade 4 students. Mr. Waterman here with today's mathematics quiz on Wednesday, February 16th, 2022. I hope you all have had a great day studying so far, and I hope you are all safe and well. Okay, now today you have a quiz to take, a decimals quiz. This is going to be a very short video. Okay, I am going to go over exactly what I want you to do. So please make sure you are watching this video before you take the quiz. I will repeat. Watch this video first. Take the quiz second. Okay. When you click on the quiz itself, it's going to take you to this page where it says decimals quiz at the top. I'm going to read this aloud, so please listen very carefully and please read along. Decimals quiz. You may only take this once. Any student taking this more than one time will receive a 0. 0 in parentheses. No excuses, no exceptions. What does that mean? That means, oh, I didn't read the directions. I didn't know. Oh, I didn't see the video. I didn't know. Okay? You are hearing me say this now in this video, and you can read this at the top. If mom or dad are home with you, have them read the directions with you. You only take this one time. Okay? If you take this quiz and you receive 90 points, 90 points is what you get. Just one time, you take it once, you get a 90. That's fantastic. That will be the only score you receive. Okay? If you take this quiz a second time and you get 100, you will not get a 90. You will not get a 100. You will get a 0. Okay? I have done this in the past online, and before, this is the first time I'm typing this message. I used to say this in my videos before, and students didn't listen. Students would take this quiz 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, until they got 100 points. I'm not going through 200 of these responses. There are 120 of you in grade 4. Each student needs to take it one time only. Okay? I will give you another example. My name is Taejun Lee. Taejun takes the decimals quiz one time. Taejun gets an 80%. Taejun is happy with an 80%. Taejun is finished with his quiz. Taejun moves on to the next assignment. That's it. Here's another example. Again, I will use Taejun. Taejun didn't watch the video, didn't read the directions. Taejun takes the quiz the first time and gets 40 points. Taejun then takes the quiz a second time and gets 60 points. Taejun then takes the quiz a third time and gets 80 points. And again, because he wants 100 points, Taejun takes the quiz a fourth time and finally gets 100. Taejun is really happy and excited. Yay! I finally got a 100. But in reality, Mr. Waterman sees that Taejun has taken the quiz 4 times. So now, Taejun does not get a 40. He does not get a 60. he does not get an 80. And he certainly does not get a 100. Guess what score Taejun will get? 0. Okay? So this is all about following the directions. Not following what you want to do, not following what someone else told you to do, but following what Mr. Waterman wants you to do. You all have been in my class now for a whole year. You know I mean business. Okay? Now, that's out of the way. Let's go over a few other points. The first part of this quiz, anything that says required that has a star, you must fill in and you must answer. Where it says family name, you're going to type your family name. Lee is my family name. Well, number 2, where it says first name, you're going to type in your first name. Tae June. Where it says class, you're going to type in your class. 4-1. If you are in 4-1, you will type in 4-1. If you are in 4-2, you will type in 4-2. If you are in 4-3, you will type in 4-3. You cannot submit this quiz without answering all of the questions that have red stars. Finally, where it says student number, you are going to type in your student number. Okay? So again, required means you have to answer all of the parts. Family name, Lee. First name, Taejun. Class, 4-1. Student number, 50. Okay? And after that, the quiz begins. A few more things about the quiz. The quiz is only 10 questions. I made it as simple as possible. If you watched last week's review video, you should do just fine. I went over all of the points I wanted you to pay very special attention to. If you did not watch last week's review video, go back and watch it after you finish watching this video. Okay? The next thing, okay? Very important. Do not send Mr. Waterman an email saying you don't know where to find the quiz. The quiz is going to be put in the same place all of your other assignments are kept, in the school's online classroom. You will be able to find it there, right next to this very video you are playing and listening to now. Okay? 10 questions. Each question is 10 points. Some of the questions are true and false. Some of the questions are multiple choice. Okay? If you paid attention, you should do just fine on this quiz. Okay? Grade 4, we have close to 120 students, if not a full 120. You must all take this quiz. Okay? If you do not take this quiz, it will count as 0 points. Okay? If for some reason you are unable to take this quiz, that means you are sick. That means you had to leave the country suddenly to go back to Korea for some reason. Family emergency. You need to let me know. Mom and Dad, you need to let me know. not taking this quiz and then telling me 1 week later why you couldn't take it, it's too late. If you are unable to take this quiz today, then I need to know today. Today is Wednesday, February 16th. Okay? If you have any questions or concerns, please email me. Okay? That's it. Good luck. I made this as easy as possible again. Take care. Stay safe and healthy. Hopefully, this will be one of the last math videos of the year. Hopefully. Fingers crossed, though. Okay? And if not, well, then I will continue to see you in the next videos. We are all done with decimals, and I believe the next unit we're going into is going to be on line graphs. So stay tuned. That's also one of my favorite units to end the school year with. Take care. Bye-bye for now.